In today's video, I am going to teach you how to authenticate a domain in Brevo. Domain authentication is important because it helps your emails look more trustworthy to mail providers, improves deliverability, and reduces the chance that your messages land in spam. We will do this directly inside your Brevo account, and then Brevo will confirm the needed DNS records before you finish. Start by logging into Brevo and looking at the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile name there. In the menu that opens, choose the option for Settings. This is where Brevo keeps the configuration areas for sending, including domains, senders, and IP options. Once you are in Settings, find the section called Senders and IP, and click it. This area controls how Brevo is allowed to send emails on your behalf, and it is the place where you add and verify domains. Inside Senders and IP, click on Domains. You will see the option to add a new domain. Click Add a Domain to begin. Now enter your domain name in the field provided. Make sure you type only the domain itself, and double-check the spelling, since a small typo can prevent verification later. When you are ready, click Add Domain. After you add the domain, Brevo will guide you through authentication options. Choose the option that says Authenticate the domain yourself. This tells Brevo you will follow its verification flow and confirm ownership and sending authorization for that domain. Next, select Continue to use the automated configuration. Automated configuration helps streamline the setup and reduces manual errors, since Brevo will generate the necessary records and then check them for you. Depending on your DNS provider, this still may take a few minutes to fully propagate, so if verification does not happen instantly, wait a bit and try again. When Brevo shows that the records are verified, click Done. At the end of the process, make sure to complete the final confirmation by selecting the option to authenticate this email domain. This last action applies the verified status, so Brevo can send using your domain properly. That covers everything you need to know.